I was really fed up with the plastic bags of my little cheapo dust collector. They are expensive, they tend to tear, and they are incredibly fiddly to reinstall. Instead of these plastic bags, I now wanted to use these steel barrels, and I'm gonna show you how I did that. This is a ring segment that I used to trace out more ring segments on a piece of scrap oak. And then I cut those individual segments at the bandsaw. I cut all the ends first, since it is much easier when the segments are still connected as a solid block. But after the ends were trimmed off, I cut out the individual segments. The bandsaw left a bit of a rough surface, so I sanded the ends at the belt sander using a template to get the angle right. Then I could dry assemble the ring, and I had to shorten one of the segments to make the ring go together nicely. I found this hose clamp kit, which is perfect for gluing up segmented rings. I was fairly generous with the glue because the end grain tends to soak it up in no time. And after a couple of hours I removed the hose clamp. Since the end grain to end grain connections are not very strong, I decided to reinforce the joints with splines. To funnel the shavings a little bit better towards the opening, I put a 45-degree chamfer on the inside edge of the ring. I put a bit of silicone between the ring and the lid just to make sure that there won't be any leaks. And I used the original plastic bag to connect the barrel lid to the dust collector. Finally, I mounted the adapter to the dust collector, which was just as fiddly as attaching the plastic bags previously. But from now on, I will not have to do that anymore. The cool thing with these barrels is that once one is full, I can swap it out for a fresh one and store the full one away until I get the chance to dispose the sawdust. The camera doesn't really pick it up, but I can still see through the plastic bag when the barrels get full.